Hi, this is Greg with Underground Graphics. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I know that since we've been doing a lot of mail order boxes, people are calling asking about what it's supposed to look like inside. The mask looks messed up and so on and so on. We've got some that have been cut. So we've got, we try to make this as easy as possible for you. Obviously it is just a box with a tube inside and vinyl wrapped around. Some will be inside. First thing, we're going to have some notes on here. When opening with sharp objects, be careful. Again, you may cut right through something in there, so just be careful. Additionally, I know there's some people with the Bronco groups and the Jeep groups that are ordering these without having their vehicles yet. Try to open these up and lay them flat. If they stay like this for too long, they're gonna take that shape, and then when you go to apply, you're gonna get tunneling and you may have some other issues. Again, not a huge deal, but try to avoid that. So again, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And again, I'm just using the very end of that, so I'm not cutting through anything. Just want you guys to be careful. We do take a lot of care packing these. We've learned the hard way, so we've found what works for us. We're gonna open that up. And I believe this is a Bronco kit. I think it's the hockey stripes, maybe a full kit. So as you can see, we've got some padding here around the tube, on the bottom side of that tube. We've got some polyurethane wrapped around those graphics to keep from water or moisture or anything getting in there. And on the end of this tube, we have a look inside decal. That's gonna tell you that there's gonna be more to that kit inside. So let's go ahead and pop that open. Do keep this packing. We don't typically take refunds, as you can see, why most of these kits are made custom. If it's something that was wrong with the kit or it was a misorder, as long as it hasn't really been touched and folded or anything like that, obviously used, and it's packed back exactly how we shipped it to you, we'll take that back. Once it arrives back to us, we can restock it. We can go from there, but that is on a case-by-case basis. You will see on our website we do not normally take refunds, but again, we do try to work with you on that. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's another decal here. Please note the finish imperfections you see on this product is the transfer paper. Actual vinyl under will appear unmarked. That's the biggest call we get. Someone opens up their kit and they say, this looks horrible. Mine's got wrinkles and bubbles, all kinds of stuff in it. This isn't what I ordered. It's called mask or transfer paper. That's what allows you to transfer that vinyl from the backing paper onto your vehicle. So what's inside? We've got a squeegee. We've got some installation instructions. There's going to be a QR code there for a YouTube link. You're going to have your receipt in there, and it'll tell you if this is a dry install or a wet install. 90% of what we give out is going to be dry install. Everything is done with wrap film. So as you can see here, these are going to be the stripes to that kit. They're wound up. So again, when you get this, unbox it, open it up, make sure everything's there. If you leave it boxed up and you call us a month later, it's going to be hard for us to go back and track and know what really happened. Again, these kits are done to order, so we pack these up, we double check, make sure we got everything we need in there. And do lay them out. Obviously when you do a kit, you want to lay everything out on your car, make sure everything's right. We've got these files set up to cut, so they're going to go through just as they are in our file, to the plotter, to weeding, to masking, to shipping. So as you can see here, we've already got some discoloration on here. I can tell you that when this went through our laminator, it was the end of the roll or near the end of the roll on our air mask. And it's the finish of that mask. If we take this off, it's going to be perfectly fine underneath. And again, I'm not going to go the whole way through this, but you can see through that roll Most of these aren't going to look like that. That was the end roll of that mask, but that's the example that I really wanted to show you guys. Was the finish on this top layer is just the top layer. Your stripe is going to be underneath that. If you have any questions at all, just give us a call, an email. We're usually always here. And again, thanks for watching these videos. Like and subscribe, and thank you.